Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about type 4, which is an ASBR summary LSA. So we have talked about router 1, type 1 router LSA, type 2 network LSA, type 3 network summary LSA. And in this video, we're going to focus on ASBR summary LSA. So uh, I've written the description of this particular LSA. So ASBR summary LSA is advertised by the ABRs to describe the list of ASBR's addresses. So let's go to our topology here, or actually let's review the topology. So here we have an ASBR, which is R1, a router that connects to another autonomous system, in this case AIGRP, and it connects to or attached to area 0 also. And we have R2, an ABR router. It connects to area 0 and area 1. So in this case, R1 is advertising this its loopback address into OSPF. So that's how, that's why we're gonna have an AS external LSA. We're gonna talk about that in the next video. But here, as described here, ASBR summary LSA is advertised by the ABRs to describe the ASBR addresses. So this router is gonna advertise the IP address of R1. So let's verify that. So OSPF, show IP OSPF database. R1 does belong to area 0, so it's not gonna have a ASBR summary LSA. So as you can see here, let's expand this window. So area 0, so we have router LSA, network LSA, summary network LSA, and AS external LSA, but we don't have a ASBR summary LSA because this, like I said, this R1 does belong to area 0, and if a router belongs to area 0, it doesn't have to have ASBR summary LSAs. So okay, now ASBR summary LSA. Let's go to R3. R3 is gonna have one ASBR summary LSA or ASBR address because it only belongs to area 1, as you can see here. So let's verify it. So show IP OSPF database. So yeah, router LSA, summary network LSA, summary ASBR or ASB link states. So as like our description here describes or says, ASBR summary LSA is being advertised by the ABR. This IP address here is actually R2 router ID, or its loopback IP address. So summary ASP link. So we verified that we have one summary ASBR LSA. We can actually look deeper or dig deeper by doing a show IP OSPF database ASBR summary. And if you look here, of course, area 1, R3 only belongs to area 1, and advertising router, which is, our the ABR router, and this is the IP address of ASBR ASBR router or AS boundary router. So here it says here. So how about R2? Let's go to R2. So R2 is an ABR router, so it does belong to area 1 and area 0. So like I said earlier, all the routers that belong to area 0 are not going to have ASBR summary LSA. So let's verify that. So let's check area 0 here. So router LSA, network LSA, summary, network LSA. So there's no ASBR summary LSA in area 0 here. So how about area 1? So router LSA, summary network LSA. So here we have one summary ASBR LSA in area 1. So we have verified that router 1 has 0 ASBR summary because it belongs to area 0. So R1 doesn't have a summary LSA, summary ASBR LSAs, and R2 it does have a summary LSA, summary ASBR LSA, or sorry, ASBR summary LSA in area 1, but it doesn't have ASBR summary LSA in area 0. And R3 has a ASBR summary LSA in area 1. So yeah, that's how you can verify ASBR summary LSA. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.